No way you're at 18, you started with 3? Bro, I'm out here grinding, bro. How you know they're real buys? Because it's not just a bunch of top holders. Like this. Like some of these could be real buys, sure. Oh my god, wait, that's a huge dip. Wait, eat the... I'm risking it, I'm risking it, I'm risking it. Scalpula? Pull out the scalpula? Time to pull out the scapular? Time to pull out the scapular? Time to pull out the scapular? Hit him with the scapula! Alright, it's a quick 0.3. Just a quick 0.3. Wait, what is this? Justice? Wait, this is OG. Fuck it, I'm sending this shit. What is this? Oh, it's kind of sending a little bit. Girl flooded with donations after. Hello? It is sending, bro. Oh my god, it's the worst article ever. This is sending though. Oh my god. Bro, I think I'm gonna sell it, bro. I don't know if I don't think it's real. I don't think it's real. I'm selling this, bro. Alright, Sleepy? Wait, Sleepy's running? Dev hasn't sold though. But $97. I don't know. Might be too late for me, bro. Rugged 5. Jesus. Rugged 5 other coins. 32% bundles. Damn. Damn, there's a lot of real buys coming in now. Fuck it. Top blasting? Top blasting? Fuck it. Top blasting? Getting shit on? Getting shit on? Repeat. Getting shit on? Nice. Motion? Damn, is this just gonna shoot up to migration? Maybe. Like it? I don't know. I don't know. This one's kind of sketchy a little bit. Oof. Ooh. Wait. I'm getting out, bro. Getting out, bro. Getting out. Whatever. Is this some AI? Whoa, wait. Wait, 3DK? Wait. Actually, I might send this. Wait, they haven't a node package manager for it? Wait, this actually might kind of send. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's going crazy. Wait. This was 4 minutes ago. They dropped a CA. Wait, push all-time high? This is gonna be bullish if we push all-time high? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Is this gonna migrate? Holy shit, wait. Bro, yeah, because this is legit. It has an NPM. No, the bundles are just like big buys. Like, bundles aren't always like bad bundles. Wait, bro, this is migrating. There's no way it doesn't migrate. Holy shit, bro, wait. Wait a minute. I mean, I don't really have to check if this is OG necessarily because this Twitter is the one that put the CA. And I mean, it's literally, it is an npm install of it. That's crazy. No, because it probably counted me as a sniper. But I'm probably gonna drop 50 on migration. Yo, appreciate the follow. npm, it's a node package manager. It's like a Python. You could basically just install like stuff through Python, like packages. So you can essentially just like from your command terminal, you can just like install this AI agent, like supposedly. I mean, I didn't look into it like crazy, but I mean, there seems to be legit things here. I don't know how long I'm gonna hold this, but I'm definitely dropping a 50 on migration. Nice. Wait. Whoa. I'm out, bro. Wait. Oh wait, am I out? I'm out, right? Oh, okay. Damn, wait! Oh, the dev sold, bro. Run, far away, the dev sold. Oh my god, I'm glad I got out. Holy shit. Damn. No way you're at 18, you started with 3? Bro, I'm out here grinding, bro. They're saying that Christmas is slow, but I'm finding them. Wait, cat sheet? This is a play on dog sheet? Ah, this might be a bad play, bro. This might be a bad play, bro. Maybe. But it's trending so much up. Wait, whoa. Hey, I don't think it was a bad play. Wait. Maybe it wasn't a bad play. Hold on. Wait, break all-time high again? Bullish if we break all-time high again? Bullish if we break all-time high again? Oh! Oh shit, I didn't mean to send that there. I thought I was still in trench radar. God. Wait, bro, this is cooking. Hold on. Wait, migration? Please? Please, can I see migration, please? No, wait, no. No. Yes. Yes. Break all-time high again. Motion. Oh my god, all-time high broken again. Wait. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Come on. No. It's all gonna be dependent here, bro. It's all gonna be dependent here. All-time high break again. Uh-oh, wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait, hold your horses. Hold on. This is big motion, bro. This is huge motion. Wait. Come on. Wait, consolidating? This could be good or bad. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Okay. Well. Maybe I should have waited for that. Because that was probably going to happen. I should have just waited for the bounce back, bro. And sold the top of that. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, Justice is picking up? Whoa! Wait. This is wild, but I'm actually gonna buy here. I think it might just push up, bro. This is a wild play, but I don't know. I don't know about this. I feel like this is a, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm in uncharted waters right now. Oh shit. It's blue balling. It's blue balling migration. Stop that. Stop that. I don't know. This is a weird one. This is a weird one. Wait. Wait, actually, I might get out of this. Wait, 16 minutes ago. 17 minutes ago. Oh wait, this might just be the one that's sending. Wait, there's a chance. There's a chance. There's a chance it could run kind of hard. Like at least like 150 post migration. But man, dude, we're just teetering migration. Dude, that crap sucks. I don't know. I don't know. It's a big bundle. Could just be a big bundle. All right. I don't know. Bullshit. This is the only one I'm seeing that actually has some real buys, but fuck it, bro, I'm sending it. This might be a blunder though. This might be a blunder. This might be a blunder. Might get shit on. Getting shit on, getting shit on, wait. Getting shit on, getting shit on. Getting pooped on, wait. All-time high, all-time high. Okay, that's one good bump. We pass this, it's going to migration, bro. Surely, right? Right? Oh my god, please? Please? Oh no. Please? Oh! Okay, wait, nice, nice. Wait, huge buys, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Wait! Wait, we're locked in, we're locked in, hold on, wait. Wait, we're actually locked in, wait, nice, all-time high. Oh, bro, it has to migrate, There's no way it doesn't migrate, There's no way it doesn't migrate. Come on! Motion! Motion! Oh my god, it's edging migration again. Please. Please. Please stop edging me, please. My balls hurt from the edge. Just no! No! Nice, nice, nice. Oh, there's no way that's not migration. There's no way that's not migration. There's no way that wasn't migration. Oh my god, bro. It's literally just blue balling everyone, bro. And I can see the bots. I see them selling, bro. Somebody just has to... Okay, nice. Woo! Woo! Alright. Setting up the exit play. Setting up the exit play. I'm not sniping all of it. Just some. I think it'll probably push up to like 100 and something because it's like a sheet meta, I guess. Bull sheet, there's cat sheet, dog sheet. So there is like a meta to it. So I think it'll probably go like one something. I don't know if it'll hit 150, but maybe like 120. Cause what did cat sheet get to? Or dog sheet? Dog sheet went crazy, didn't it? But I don't think it's gonna do those numbers. Yeah, wait, cat sheet hasn't migrated yet, but dog sheet. Yeah, dog sheet's at 2 million, bro. Holy shit. I actually didn't think it got that high. Nice. Oh wait, my order didn't set up to take 50. Shit. It's fine, I'll take 50 there. Whoa. Come on. I don't like it, bro. Oh my god, it's not letting me get out. Please. Wait, am I already out? Oh, I'm already out. I'm already out. Right? Wait, new baby elephant? Wait, Leans. Leans, you sneaky dog. Oh, no, no. I was gonna buy right there. Wait, I'm buying there then. I'm buying there then. I'm buying there then. I think this is going. I think this is moving. I think this is moving. It's OG. Oh, we're moving, baby. We're moving, baby. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe? Nice, nice. All-time high? All-time high? Wait, there... Oh, Lean sold some more? Wait, if we don't see... Ooh, I don't know. If I don't see another all-time high, it might just be volume bot. Might just be a volume bot. I'm getting out, bro. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out.